Let's go.
Hi, guys.
Hey, guys. Look at this place.
Wow. I feel like I'm in like a French chateau. It's old world, romantic. It's very warm.
Yeah.
Our goal is to always show that you don't have to sacrifice design to still have functionality. And I think a lot of parents think that when they have kids, they got to give the whole house over to the kids, and they can't be inspired too. We have 3 girls, and so we're proving you wrong.
This was the first thing that caught my, this is amazing.
It's a centerpiece, one big centerpiece, the heart of the home.
This thing too, the stove.
Yes.
I've never seen a stove that
Stove
beautiful.
is humongous.
It's a family style
It's got
stove.
two ovens.
Double oven.
Oh my goodness, Thanksgiving is gonna be jumping off in this place.
I think if you did all cabinets in that corner, it just wouldn't give this space the charm.
I love the cobblestone. I love that accent.
But this right here, that is amazing. Just to be indoors and you can spill into the outdoors and the light's gonna come through there. This is definitely the style of house I would move into.
Lindsay will tell you a little bit about what our theme is while I get you guys some sweet tea from our sweet tea bar that we created. Oh. So we have a full sweet tea station over here with a pop filler and everything. Everything we're doing is about entertaining. We are mixing eclectic with an earthy vibe. Deeper, earthy tones.
I love that old stove.
That stove is cool. The handles and
Yeah.
everything, it
Yeah.
feels very old world.
We added this huge accordion door over here that pulls all the way back so you have the full entertaining outside.
That is so cool.
Yeah, great for a big family, for parties.
We did tons of storage. We went with dark blue cabinets, really anchoring in that earthy tone.
I love how there's so much storage, but you might have someone walk in here and see this dark blue color and maybe not like it. It's different.
I don't like it. Lindsay doesn't like to be told that she doesn't have the best ideas ever. I don't like it.
This is a different type of layout here.
Yeah, we rotated everything.
Rotate, yes.
It came like this, we shifted it by 90 to add this huge runway of countertops.
Wow, this is cool.
This is nice.
Isn't that pretty? It's just so velvet.
It's real?
Yeah, this is real.
Wow.
It took 10 slabs of marble. The tile, we did this mixed, so it's half metallic finish, half flat, so it gives a muddled effect. Some nutmeg, cabinetry, hardwood.
Whoa. Yo, look at this.
Oh yeah, that is so cool.
What?
Actually, we did a fountain, drilled it out,
Yeah.
turned it into a pot filler.
They say you try to be a little more generic when you're trying to sell a house, but that is not generic, and that, to me, will sell a house.
I know a lot of the other houses, they opened up that whole wall.
Yeah.
But I think adding windows offsets that's not wide open onto the patio.
Right.
The color, is that pink? What is that?
It's a peach color.
Peach.
It's so warm, and it just felt like Charleston, so.
It's a little specific.
I get that a lot.
A buyer might not see through it.
That's really the hard thing in design because we all have our own style. And this is definitely you guys. It screams you guys.
Welcome to our kitchen.
Look at the windows. Boom.
Yeah,
Right?
that's amazing.
We're picturing a family living here, right? So we have 5 kids, so we base this kitchen off of how we would like a kitchen to function. We flipped the kitchen, it was
Yeah.
facing that direction. We have these big doors, so it functions and flows better.
This reminds me of the work we do. The countertop, everything, the color, the stove. I mean,
Oh,
this
look at
is
those.
so cool.
Handmade tile.
That is beautiful.
This is a new home, and we wanted it to feel a little bit like an old home. We wanted to add some character in.
I just think even spending money on something like this, a lot of people would just put in an ordinary faucet, but this thing, it has the pits in it, and it's just aged, and it just,
Yeah.
that right there is just a piece in itself.
It's beach housey, and the flow going that way is great for a big family.
But now I'm just thinking, when a house is built right there, what if you're standing here and you're looking right into
Right.
their living room? That's
I know, yeah.
Like, right now, I love it. When another house is built there, I might not like it so much.
We have roller shades in ours. You can do like a little roller shade, it goes away, and then you pull it down and you get some privacy.
I see there's a door right there that looks very old and somebody
Yes, it
stripped
is.
it down.
We did.
And oh, come
I
on.
know.
See, that's
love
it
that you
right
appreciate this
there.
stuff.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool. Yeah.
We found this door, love the shape of it. It's just so cool, and so we stripped it down.
We just didn't love the location of the powder bath. It's hard to be sitting here enjoying time talking to people and someone double flushes it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
And you see this shelving, push that open.
What? What? Oh my God!
Oh!
This pantry wasn't here, so we added this. We actually took the powder bath away.
It keeps going. Oh. Oh my God!
That's fun. Look at these things.
both of them walked into that pantry and looked around and had no idea that was a door.
Yes.
No
yes.
idea
Yes.
at all.
That is so creative. Wow.
It worked.
Hello.
Hi. Your house looks beautiful. Thank you.
Wow. I love what you've done with this storage and this entry because it feels practical. To be able to just hang your jacket on this little
Yes.
peg. And these are so cute, I love them. I do love this chandelier. I think this was a really good move, bringing in that little pop of metal. I feel like I would want just one surface to like throw my keys on. Because this does feel like it could be used a little bit more.
Okay.
But this is a really nice entry. You get that wow factor, but then your eye goes here.
The fireplace wall is really our focal space for this room.
The benches are beautiful, rounds out your seating. This is a beautiful way to add storage. Love it. That's smart too from a value perspective.
We added one more space.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we actually had a powder bath around the corner that we turned into a big pantry, but we didn't want to lose the powder bath. So we actually added square footage. We took a little bit of the covered porch. Go check it out. Creating the powder room gave us an extra 50 square feet.
I love the wallpaper.
You like it?
So sophisticated, kind of a bold space, a little more dramatic, because I feel like you can do that in a powder bath.
This was really smart, you guys.
Thanks.
I wish there was a way to get it away from the kitchen a little bit more. As far as adding value, I think that was a good move. Wow, look in here. Oh my goodness.
Welcome to our house.
Thank you.
There is a superstition in Charleston. Spirits enter your front door and you want to stop them. One of the ways you stop them is to put something on the wall that they stop and read and get distracted by.
Wow, that is such an interesting story.
Yeah.
Good job, A+ on the research.
Thank you.
I do also really like this light fixture. I love how it matches the sconces. Wow, look in here.
We went for that Charleston earthy eclectic vibe and focused on entertaining here.
Love that.
Really trying to focus on the wet bar.
You have a full working sink over here?
Yes.
Which I love. It's going to check the box on the appraisal, so I think from that standpoint, it's smart. My only concern is I'm not sure that you're gonna get more potential buyers being like, that's the thing that's gonna make me buy that house.
Sure. We found this 1813 mantle.
Oh, I love that you use something vintage.
Yes.
I think I would have painted it a different color. It would have popped a little bit more. But I love the idea and the sentiment, and I think having something vintage in a new space, that's always a good thing.
Cool.
Wow, look at your house.
We really pride ourselves in being able to marry luxury and functionality.
Tell me about everything you've done.
Let's start with the beautiful French doors you see on the front.
Yeah.
We also created this entire wall from leftovers.
Had extra brick. As you can see, when you came in, we had exterior brick going on.
Okay. I'm impressed. Tell me about these beams.
They came in the wrong color.
So we ended up painting them so it flowed with the room.
I wish that you had painted the beams the same color as the French doors.
Very good note.
We've added square footage. Come over here. So,
Oh.
this hallway didn't exist before.
No. We bumped the
All right.
entire foyer backwards to create a hallway straight from the garage.
See this?
Baby.
Hidden
You
potential,
guys are
baby.
thinking.
Hidden potential.
I like it. This is so smart. So you were able to connect what was a detached garage to the house.
Exactly.
Create an entire room over here, a larger foyer as well, and add additional square footage.
How much
And
square
got
footage?
120 square feet.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Really, the inspiration was to create something warm and Charleston-y.
Keith actually found the color on an old church in downtown area and pulled in some beams to bring in that old church vibe.
Lots of textural elements. I love the brick with the nest.
You did do a lot of things to add value.
I wanted you to walk in and want to touch everything.
I definitely get that vibe. I love the round windows.
Thank you. I didn't think anybody else would do curves.
This is edgy.
Thank you.
I love this art installation.
Thank you. You know, on old houses, the lath and plaster, as you're taking that down, I always find that to be so beautiful. That's the inspiration. I've modernized it a little bit.
This is your wow factor. This art was a really smart move. I think it sets the tone for the rest of the design. And I love, is this vintage, this piece here?
Yep.
I think you guys have put your stamp on this house. It in no way feels like any of the other houses, and it doesn't feel like any house I've ever actually been in.
No.
I love how you just mixed all of the colors in here. They
Thank
look
you.
really nice.
Look at this closet.
Yes.
Oh my.
Wow, well. Okay, we've added some value here. It keeps going.
Oh my God, a washer dryer.
Yes. This was a closet, but it was much smaller. So we added 50 square feet. So we took a little bit of real estate from our back porch,
Okay.
as well as into our home.
You took exterior space.
Correct. We did.
Smart.
Yes.
Really smart.
Yeah.
This is a dream. The open shelving, the long hang, short hang. It's a
you.
huge selling point. It's brilliant.
And then our bathroom.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Yes. And
I have
that's me.
never been in a 12-foot bathroom.
Love a wet room. You've taken it up 10 notches with your selection of tile, color, and overall style.
She's in heaven right now.
Yes.
In heaven, in heaven.
I love how you pulled it all together.
Thank you.
I feel like this is $1 million bathroom.
I feel like you hit every single mark. One thing
Uh-oh.
that I would change.
What?
I would bring the sconces down. If that's the only thing I don't like, we're all good.
Then let's get out before you find something. Slate it.
Did your kids teach you that word?
Yeah, my kid did.
That's good. Okay.
Hello.
Oh. Wow. So there's a lot to take in.
The tones in here are very soothing.
I love that you put the bed on this wall because you don't walk into the bed and your eyes immediately go outside. Gorgeous.
What is this little peek-a-boo?
It's like a cute morning room.
Sit and read in the morning.
Yeah.
Yes, with
Yeah.
coffee.
It's soft, it's very tranquil.
It's sweet in here.
Now let's go to the bathroom.
Here we go.
Oh. is this? Look at this, Paige.
You guys put a sauna in
Yes,
here?
yes, yes, yes.
Dave built all of this.
You built the whole thing?
Oh, yeah.
You're so cute. Look at this.
There's the sea glass.
There's the sea glass.
Okay. I love that you added this because once you're in there, it won't seem like you're in a box.
Yeah. You do have this walk-in wardrobe.
Dave built all of this as well.
Oh my God. I will say this, just as somebody who has tons of clothes, this is not a lot of storage for clothing. Closet space is so important for resale.
Enclosed closet space as well.
I love the floor.
Thank you.
Let me say, very spa-like. And you built the vanity.
I did.
This is all custom woodwork right
Yes.
now. I mean, and I don't know that anybody else will be able to say that it's custom woodwork. That means a lot. They're handmade, they will last forever.
That's where people are seeing that value
Right.
when it comes to resale.
Hello, ladies.
Tranquility?
Any antique doors for me are, you see me beeline it?
Your whole wheelhouse.
Show me and Paige where you added more value.
Come on over here.
we will.
We created a larger closet space with more hanging.
Gorgeous. It's like you're in a boutique. You know I love the integrated lighting more than anything.
Anything on the planet.
I love that you bring the eye up with these beautiful, crisp white cabinets.
They're so
The
pretty.
gold hardware. This is a ton of value add.
There's
This
so much
is
in here.
the wardrobe.
There's another one? Oh, it looks good.
Welcome to our spa.
Look at this. It looks so good. This is a vanity. Double chandelier.
It is really pretty. The tile is beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Look at the pebbles. Oh.
I love that you continued it into the shower, so it makes it feel larger.
The smart shower is how we spent our winnings from our entry in our living room.
Really smart.
You can program it for as many people as you want.
I wish this shower head was bigger.
If that's the one bad thing that we're saying,
We'll take it.
you're good.
We'll take it.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Look at
Wow.
We really wanted a big feature wall for the bed.
Wow.
Oh, this is unbelievable.
Thank you.
Like, I've never
Wow.
seen anything like that. This
Well,
is a
thank you.
wow factor.
Beautiful. Did you cover up the windows or did you get rid of the windows?
We got rid of the windows.
I'm sad that I don't see the water though.
When you take away windows, especially with that view, that could hurt you. But I love the whole tone. I love the blush to this olive green to the brass. It works.
Thank you.
It's very pretty. Talk to us about the space over here.
This is the walk-in closet.
All right.
Oh!
Wow, okay. Well, at least the space is here.
We actually added square footage to the closet.
I like that it feels like a dressing room.
I would come in and redo the whole thing though, because this is a lot of wasted space for a closet system.
You guys definitely did not add value in your built-in. It's a massive selling point.
I love the floors.
Wow.
You guys! Wow! This is sexy. This gorgeous shower. I don't even know how you built it. It's so beautiful. I feel like I'm in a castle.
You know how sexy these curves are? I love arches and I love soft corners. The contrasting brick from the porcelain to the actual brick, the way you laid the tile, the attention to detail with that.
So there's 2 water closets you don't have to share.
So yeah, so those are our value items.
That is smart. That is so smart.
I do not like sharing a toilet.
There's some linen cabinet up here.
Yeah, we have additional storage above the toilets.
We have the added value because you did add the extra water closet here.
We haven't seen anything like this.
Nowhere ever in my life, actually. You should be so proud. Congratulations on this. This is the wow factor from all 4 houses.